Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to withdraw your Lazada Fast Cash Loan and transfer it to your bank or e-wallet like GCash or Maya. If you're using this loan for shopping or emergencies, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, open your Lazada app. Tap on the account section at the bottom right of your screen. Scroll down and look for Fast Cash Credit, then tap on it. Here you will see your available credit, your used credit. To withdraw, tap Withdraw button. Now enter the loan amount you need, let's say 10,000 pesos. Next, select your installment plan. Underneath, you'll see the monthly repayment amount based on your selected plan. Choose the loan purpose from the list. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Finally, tap Withdraw to proceed. Once approved, the loan amount will be deposited directly into your Lazada wallet. Now, let's withdraw the money to your bank or e-wallet. Go to Lazada Wallet from the account section. You'll see here your available balance. Tap on it. Here, you'll find two options, cash in or withdraw. Tap Withdraw. Choose an account to withdraw to. Tap Available Deposit. Then hit Proceed. Here you'll see the payment methods available. If you've already added a bank or e-wallet like Maya, select it. If not, tap Add Withdraw Account. Here you will see the list of banks and e-wallets like GCash, Maya, BTO, etc. Select the payment method you want to use, let's say GCash, and then enter your account number. Tap Add Bank Account to save it. Enter the withdrawal amount, let's say 10,000 pesos. Tap Continue to finalize the transaction. That's it, your Fast Cash Loan is now successfully withdrawn to your chosen account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.